Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we are going to show you how to replace the battery on the Oneplus Nord Mobile Phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Carefully work around on the edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic carbide tool and gently cut the adhesive around. First, it needs to take out mainboard protector frame by undoing 11 screws, and then you can lift the protector cover using a pry tool. Take out the protector cover and disconnect the battery connector plug on the left hand side. Now take out the battery by loosening the tapes and pulling it by the red tab. Replace the new battery and paste the adhesive back. Make sure to connect the battery plug and the protector shield by adding screws. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B785 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in 2 tightened rubber bands to bond the back cover. Leave it for about an hour and remove the rubber bands. On the professional level, you can use screen bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the battery replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.